Okay, friends, today's final activity is optional. If you don't have time or it doesn't work on your Chromebook, you don't have to do it. But I found a game where you can create your own roller coaster. So you'll click on the link. Okay. You'll have to read how to play. All right. Then you'll go down here. Remember, sometimes if we get this message, we have to allow Adobe. So you just click on allow. Okay, you click on that. You click allow. And then the game will come up. It is called, I'm turning off the sound, it's called Roller Coaster Creator. You're going to play it, you're going to press start. Now, before I press start, boys and girls, I am showing you this on a laptop. I do not know if it will play on a Chromebook. If it doesn't, that's okay. If you have a home computer and you want to find Roller Coaster Creator, just Google it. It might work there. But if it doesn't work, don't worry. It's optional. Okay? So, that is what I'm going to tell you. If you ask me that it's not working, I'm going to tell you to watch this video. Because the answer is, if it's not working, you're done for the day. Okay? So you'll click start. If you need to remember how to play, click that. Click start. I'll show you one round. You're going to go to this first round. Your goal is to get all the coins and connect and create your roller coaster so your start can get to your end. So look, okay, so I'm going to draw my roller coaster track. I want to get all the coins, and then I'm going to press play. Ooh. All right, so I got all the coins. Okay, level completed, and you'll press continue, and then you'll go to level 2. Okay, sometimes they have a demo, sometimes they don't. You can just you just can watch the demo, or you can skip it, skip the demo to go right to your track. Okay, you will have a few times to try. If you fail, you just might have to try again. But have fun and enjoy.